I saw something very interesting today on Twitter X. A post saying that quantum physics says that everything observed is affected by the observer watching it. And I do believe that's true. Let me tell you the reason why. By analogy, when you open a file on your computer, the file changes just a little bit because the metadata changes. For example, such as last open. So the metadata of such file changes from a few days prior of last open to now of last open. So it changes just a little bit. So that's my perspective of it. And another perspective of it is that we shouldn't care that much. We only need to care about being healthy, to be honest, and do good deeds. Because we as simulation entities, we as human, and I do believe that humans are simulation entities inside the whole universe, inside the whole bigger simulation, built and observed by higher beings, higher builders, higher players up there. We are players in the simulation, and we also have higher players, higher builders up there. So, from our perspective, from human perspective, we should not care that much. The only thing we need to care about is to live healthy, do good deeds. A certain number of good deeds will raise our human frequency to be in sync with the earth, with the frequency of the earth, so that we can understand earth much better. And a higher amount of good deeds will actually raise us to be in sync with the frequency of the universe, so that we can understand the perspective of the higher players up there, of the higher beings up there. We can empathize and understand from their perspective. That way, life would be very, very interesting. Just my food for thoughts, my 2 cents for today. Thank you very much.